Good afternoon. Out for a cheeky one-nighter at Breydon Water. This camp is all about relaxation. Just going to cook some decadent food, drink some nice cider and chill the hell out. The sunset is going to be a bit of an unusual one tonight. I filmed it from over there in Borough Castle a few days ago with my girls. I hope you enjoy it.
With storms, like don't.
As you can see, I'm all set up. I'm out in the Alpkit Elan hooped bivvy tonight with the tarp, belts and braces. I really need to work on my my tarp abilities because this took far longer than I expected to put up. Using the usual gear tonight. Alpkit cloud cover, climate static feed mat and my trusty Van Gogh deep sleep pillow. Had it 2 years now, so it's an absolute bargain, and well, the longevity is already proven. In the pockets I've got everything I need close to hand: lighter and small knife, head torch and battery pack should I need it. I got my table with all my cooking gear ready. I told you it was going to be decadent food. What can be more decadent than fish finger sandwiches? Yum. And what a view to enjoy it too. This steak has been marinating for the last week in only the finest herbs and spices. Got some homegrown mushrooms, homegrown onions and homegrown tomatoes with it. Lush. Truly going to explode now. Cheers.
Yippee-ki-yay!
cowboy trades his spurs for wings.
Tucked up in my bivvy bag now. I have to say, I don't eat like that all the time. I've had a long hike in and I just wanted to celebrate, so I bought all my favourite food, and I was only going to eat some of it, but I managed to eat all of it. Some people will probably say this place is creepy, but I just find it really interesting. Breydon Water has a rich history, both of criminality and supernatural tales. Back in the recent past, there was a term around Yarmouth heard quite often of a group of people called the Yarmouth Sharks. Well, Breydon Water being so treacherous, holidaymakers used to look for local people to help guide them through to the Yarmouth Harbour. It's quite easy to wreck a boat on the mud banks on either side of Breydon Water. The Yarmouth Sharks used to abuse the knowledge or lack of knowledge of the holidaymakers. They would board the boat and pretend to guide the holidaymakers to Yarmouth Harbour, but they'd deliberately wreck the boats on the mud banks, and then they would claim salvage for the boat, making themselves a fair bit of profit. I think I'll turn in now. I'll do the draw for the 1k subs in the morning.
I'm glory bound,
No more jingle jangle.
I'll lay my guns down. Yippee-ki-yay, he shouts and he sings when a cowboy trades his spurs for wings. When a cowboy trades his spurs for wings.
Good morning from a rather windy Breydon Water. Please excuse the dramatic change in scenery. I've had to just jump down into a gully and record here. It was far too windy up top, even with this new mic. So without further ado, I'd like to announce the winner of the 1k subs giveaway, Run VT. And the winner is Jenny Barter. Congratulations to the winner. Commiserations to the losers. If you'd just like to contact me on my Instagram account, you'll find the link below in the description box. Well done. As a consolation prize, I'd like to give away the Victorinox Soldier Swiss Army knife. Not this one, of course. Your one will be brand new and you can choose between khaki and camo. So if you'd like to be in with a chance of winning this, just write "I'm in" and either camo or khaki in the comments box below. I will draw it when I reach 1,500 subscribers. Oh, that wind's certainly picked up. I think it's time to pack up now though. I'll see you all on the next one.